What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on NOT, your daily update. We'll do a full update on the situation right now. I think the situation right now is pretty neutral. What we had overnight is just in general across the board, so for all altcoins, we had a bit of a sell-off, and NOTCOIN, and I said this before, I think with NOTCOIN, the intensity at which whales are trading this is a bit higher, and I think the move yesterday was also proof of that. So what you can see is that right now we're on the 1 hour time frame, but I looked at this on the 15-minute time frame as well. What you see is a dump of about what is this, of about $30 million in positions in a matter of 30 minutes. Now, a part of that was also liquidations. You can see we had some long liquidations occurring, the highest since the 11th of June, when we had that drop into the bottom. So that's, in general, that's a good sign, but obviously it's not great for traders. So it's not $30 million being dumped by one whale, but it is probably something like $10-15 million in positions being closed, and that is quite a lot. All right, and it was to be expected. I mean, if you look at NOT, you can already see big buys coming in, for example, the 12th of June, so about 5 days ago, last week Wednesday, and then this whole rally was also filled with a lot of big buys. So at some point of time, they're going to sell off. Now, does that make NOT bearish all of a sudden? I don't think so. All right, I think fundamentally what you see right now is that TON has also found some resistance, but ultimately, TON is still doing great. All right, as an ecosystem, as a network, TON is still doing great, and I still think that has potential. And congratulations, you can actually see the $1 billion mark in total value locked. So I still do think that NOT has potential, but the thing is that the markets right now are also not amazing. All right, like I said, it was very much a drop across the board yesterday evening, which was also at the same point of time that NOT started falling. So purely technically, I would say right now we are consolidating. On the 1 hour time frame, you could argue that this is starting to be a downtrend, but for that we still need confirmation. Look, if we start respecting the EMAs as resistance right now, and the price kind of bounces off of that and goes down, then we are in a downtrend. But for now, I think it's much too early to say that. I think it's much more likely that if you look at the price right here on the 4 hour time frame, we have strong support here at 1.5 and a strong resistance at 2.1. And I think we're just consolidating within that level. Now, do we actually have a chance to break out here? I do think so, but that very much depends on, well, first of all, the market again, unfortunately. But second of all, also how we react to our main support level right now, which is this level right here between 1.75 and 1.7 cents. Now, what I expect is that we'll drop down into that level and that we will find support. The only way in which NOT can actually turn bullish and can potentially break out above 2.1 and really start to rally again instead of consolidating, which, to clarify, I think it's most likely right now to get some sort of a consolidation going. The only way we can do this is, well, not necessarily a bullish market. I mean, NOT has rallied and has been bullish before when the market was not great. But we need to see new momentum for NOT. And with the momentum loss, with the position closures of last night, open interest right now is relatively low. We need to see some sort of an increase in that. If we see an increase in that, then it's possible to rally again. The first area where I expect that is a possibility is that level around 1.75. So if we start to gain momentum from there, great. Then there's a chance we can still be very bullish on the short term. And if we don't, I would expect we just consolidate on top of that level for now. And that's what I think is most likely based on what we're seeing right now. But I will also keep you updated on this in my middle of the day market update. So don't worry too much about it. This is what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But thank you for watching. Take care and bye.